In this video, we're talking about Tauruses, and out of all the zodiac signs, who is the best compatible when it comes to sex? We're about to find that out right now. What is up, guys? If we haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find some helpful product reviews to improve your self-care, as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell before I end up losing power because a hurricane is about to approach, and I would not want to... Wait, you hear that? You hear that? Serious, guys. Okay, let's get started. When paired with Aries, this is going to be challenging with this rain. This pair loves physical attraction, but the only difference is their end goals. When it comes to sex, Tauruses need to be emotionally involved, whereas Aries are just happy with any sexual relations. When paired with another Taurus, pair up the two most sensual, powerful zodiac signs together. You know shit is about to get real. The only problem is they need to have more initiative. Easy fix, but once you get over that, when paired with Gemini, Taurus needs physical touch and Gemini needs intellectual stimulation. Once Gemini gets bored, Taurus is going to see that and be like, yo, you're not adding any emotion into this. What is going on with you? In other words, Tauruses are going to get hurt. They're going to get butt hurt. When paired with Cancer, Tauruses love to use their senses when it comes to sex, especially touch. Because Cancer needs help to be sexually free, Tauruses have that ability to unlock it. And trust me, once that ability is unlocked, boom. When paired with Leo, this pair can be very exhausting, but if they know and understand their partner's sexual personality and what their needs are, it can work out. Tauruses bring the passion, Leo brings the excitement. When paired with a Virgo, Virgos can be very detailed, especially closed up sometimes. Tauruses have the ability to loosen them up, and once that happens, it's worth the time being spent. When paired with Libra, Libra's timing is everything, and if Tauruses do not execute their patience well enough, things go south pretty fast. If you want to have this sexual relationship work, understanding and trust is the main key component. When paired with a Scorpio, if you want something that's deep, sensual, exciting, this is the pair for you. Once they start, it's going to be very difficult for you to remove them apart. They're like friggin' magnets. They're like, oh wait, you know what, I'm just gonna leave it alone. When paired with Sagittarius, when Tauruses think sexuality, Sagittarius is the last person they're gonna be thinking of, period. Not saying that it would not work out, but if these two respect each other as two individuals, they might be a little oomph in it. When paired with a Capricorn, this pair can be extremely in trouble if Capricorn does not fall in love with the Taurus. But once that happens, the real fun begins. Both can be very rigid, but that's what makes sex perfect. When paired with Aquarius, this pair would have some very strong difficulty feeling sexually attracted to each other. They might just start thinking the partner is either crazy or boring. When paired with Pisces, this pair is all about the pleasure. Taurus's love is very creative, inspiring, intensive. Pisces can get lost into their creativity. The sex will be bomb. Like, I don't know if you noticed or not, but I made a couple of more videos about horoscopes in my playlist. You can check out the video in the link description. Definitely check it out. You might learn something. You might say, oh wow, I didn't know that, or I might go check that out and implement that and have some fun. Just make sure you guys stay safe. Wear a condom. I ain't playing that bullshit.